You know what we have here? I'm gonna unbox it, and I got an additional item in here too. So it's gonna be a twofer. You're gonna get 2 reviews, 1 video. Stick around. Here we go. Look at all those goodies. This is the Thermoworks chef alarm. And with that, we have the Pro Series high temp air probe, and then the Pro Series high temp straight penetration probe. Got some jelly bellies for some reason. Nice little book. And then this is the bonus item that I was telling you about. I went ahead and upgraded to the Thermapen Mk4. Okay, so here's what I was using before. And it worked great. It's very accurate. It took, I don't know, maybe 6 or 7 seconds for it to get, and maybe even longer to be honest with you, to get an accurate temperature. Now this is very cool. The Mk4 comes with a certificate of calibration. So it tells you the temperature it was calibrated at, the humidity, test temperature of 32 degrees and 212, freezing and boiling, and the certainty of the calibration. Chef Alarm will monitor your temperatures, monitor your high and low temperatures to make sure that whatever you're cooking doesn't go out of the range that you're looking for. Comes with a nice little case. There's another probe inside. And it has a clip here. And it gives you a little chart, recommended temperatures. We're at 165 degrees. This was the probe that I was using. We're gonna use this first. No matter which way you turn it, the numbers tilt with you, and the screen lights up whenever it senses that it's dark. So I'm gonna stick this on the same side. You can see how much faster it got to the reading. So I think the reason I bought this chef alarm is because I wanted something simple but accurate and reliable. And this thing is proven to be that. You can see it has a little magnet on the back so you can stick it to magnetic surfaces. You have the on-off button. You can switch from Celsius to Fahrenheit. And if you needed to recalibrate it, all that's done from the back. So one of the great things about this is it's splash proof, or semi-waterproof. And that's great because you don't have to worry about leaving it out when you're cooking. So it has a backlight button that you can push to make sure that you can see it at nighttime. It does a timer, so you can do a timer alarm. And if you want to cook for 1 hour exactly and then change something up, you set it for 1 hour. And you can do the alarms on the temperature at the same time. So you can set your high temperature alarm. It's going to go off when it hits that temperature, 145, 155, whatever you're cooking to. You can set a low temperature alarm, which would be insurance, that if something happened to the fire or whatever you're cooking with, in a pellet grill, it'd be electric. If you lost heat for some reason or another, then you'd have that alarm to tell you. Comes in a bunch of colors, so you can pick one that suits you. It's a really nice device. When you're barbecuing or cooking over a grill or even a hot stove, you don't want to hold your hand that close to the heat for more than a couple of seconds. That's why the Mk4 is amazing. It's fast and it's accurate, it's waterproof, it's intelligently backlit. And I'm not getting paid to say any of this about either item. I'm just letting you guys know what I use and why I use it, and what kind of results I've had with it. I think the probes are the big difference here. They're such high quality, you can rely on them. Just amazing stuff there. Now, I do want to suggest that you go to their website, take a look around, but also check out their device called Smoke. Now, that's a wireless cooking monitor, and I think that's a really nice product too. And if it's built like these other two are, I might seriously consider grabbing that. And again, I'm not getting paid. They didn't send these to me for free. I bought these with my money. Just trying to share my experiences so you guys can invest in good products.